Oh no! Trying to get that egg out with a spoon? Oh no! That knife won't do it either. Oh no! And that whisk is useless. Oh no! Ready to give up? Well, wait! Now it's easy to get those eggs out of the frying pan with the spatula! The spatula makes it simple to remove eggs, pancakes, and other fried goods right out of that frying pan. So get the spatula today!